And finally, from the Department of Health, please welcome to the stage Fatemeh Mahdizadeh Karizaki.
Good evening, everyone. Today, I want to take you on a journey to explore the world of inclusive childcare programs and its impact on the health and well-being of children with disabilities. But before we dive in, let us start an activity to get everyone engaged. How many of you have interacted with children with disability? Please respond to the question by raising your hand. Fantastic. Look around. The topic we are discussing touches many lives, and that's why it's crucial to discuss about children with disabilities and their parents. Inclusive childcare programs should be a place for all children to strive, regardless of their abilities. But unfortunately, exclusionary practices can create barriers. Now, imagine you are a child with disability attending an inclusive childcare program. Close your eyes for a moment and think about a vibrant, inclusive environment. What does it look like? What do you see, hear, and think? Open your eyes and think about that environment. It is clear that providing an inclusive childcare environment involves many factors, from physical accessibility to emotional support. Now let's consider the impact of exclusionary practices. I'm going to share with you a scenario, and I want to think about children with disabilities and their parents. Imagine a child with disability who always left out of group activity due to lack of accommodation. What do you think it makes children with disabilities and their parents feel? Unfortunately, exclusionary practices can lead to the feeling of isolation, frustration, and even can impact children's self-esteem. These exclusionary practices can lead to the parent who may experience increased worries and stress about their future of children. Inclusive childcare programs are reported to have lower quality in Nova Scotia compared to other provinces in Canada due to inadequate policies and implementation strategies. In our research, we want to interview with children with disabilities and their parents to identify the barriers and facilitators they experience in the context of early learning program. The research finding can provide a guidance for policies and practices enabling decision makers and service providers to identify the barriers and meet the need of families of children with disability, which is aligned with Canada's commitment to inclusivity and universal childcare policies. Thank you.